And then my friend Roshni has come and she's in my ear saying, by the way, your makeup wali is gone. Huh?
मेरे को आपकी वेडिंग की स्टोरी बताओ यार.
वेडिंग की स्टोरी.
हाँ.
वेडिंग की स्टोरी.
इसको मत बताओ, इसको सब पता है.
इसको तो पता है. मैं तो थी. मतलब थी. She wasn't actually there for the important stuff. She wasn't there for my wedding shopping.
I had exams.
You were not.
Doesn't matter. She wasn't there for Isha's birth also. She wasn't there for my wedding shopping also.
For Isha's first birthday also, you were not there. Only for.
I was there for Isha's birthday.
2 घंटा.
Yeah.
You were also not there.
Oh, you were also not there for Isha's birthday. Anyway, so wedding story you want to know?
Yes.
I'll tell you. It's first of all an arranged marriage, but
It
nobody.
is not.
See, but nobody believes it when I say it's an arranged marriage. It's a completely arranged marriage.
No, it's not.
We just knew each other from our bachpan basically.
Bachpan birth.
Bachpan, he had come to see me when I was born.
That
Just-
is how bachpan.
It just goes that back.
But
filmy this
and his dadi had put a ring in her hand when she was 1 month old. His dadi.
And his ring. So whenever our families, मतलब ऐसे होता है ना बच्चों को देखने आते तो you get them
हाँ.
gold rings or something when it's very close.
हाँ.
So his dadi, after we got married, told us कि उसको जो ring आई थी, Sumit ring only she had given me when I was 1 month old. So she was like, मैंने तो तभी decide कर लिया था, तुम लोग पता नहीं क्या time pass कर रहे हो.
Destined.
Then basically he used to come on every birthday of mine. There's a picture every year with me standing in the center, him and his brother on 2 sides, and both of them give me the same 100 chocolates ka dabba every year, and I'm just like, thank you. Those are some very cute pictures we have. And then we
Cut
grew
to
up.
them being married.
Cut to नहीं रुकना बीच में story है भाई क्या cut to.
क्या story
Yeah.
है बीच
Then he got internship in Mumbai,
में? Yeah.
and he's like 5 years older than me. So then he got his internship. I was in my 10th standard. So he was living in Mumbai and we don't have a lot of family in Mumbai. So then my dad was like, you come stay with us only. So then he used to stay with us also. For 6-7 months, I think he stayed with us. And he used to check my papers. I used to give these.
Oh my god.
Yeah.
I used to give these.
He used to give her extra marks.
He
for
didn't
good
give me extra
handwriting.
marks. He
Oh my
used to
God.
cut my marks. He never gave me full marks, and I used to only fight with him for that. But then we were very good friends. Basically, we used to talk.
Very.
And then he shifted
Only
to Singapore.
friends.
Then he shifted to Singapore. Then he was in other countries basically for the next 4-5 years. And then we just spoke on the call. But nothing. There was nothing. And then one fine day, my parents are like, listen, we're getting him married. Are you interested? And I was like, yeah. And I also did not know it. I was like, yeah. And then his parents also, like his side of the family also asked that to him independently. And he also was like, yeah, but ask her. And then both of us realized we have said yes. We did not talk to each other yet.
Yeah.
And then after everything is done, he called me up and he's like, listen, is this also happening? Do you know? I'm like, yeah. He's like,
There are so many yas in
we've
this.
already committed to this. I'm like, yeah. He's like, oh, wow, congratulations. I'm like,
Congrats
congratulations.
to you too.
And I was like, I think 22 when I said that yes.
Yeah.
But yeah, it was that natural, guys. I'm telling you, like when it's there, you just know.
But she says it was not there. Once he was coming back from Singapore or Netherlands or somewhere.
For some reason, when I was in
Yeah.
my 10th standard and he was leaving, and
You
when he
started
was
crying.
leaving, and I just started crying. I didn't even know why.
No, but the next time
And
he
then
was...
my dad sees me, he's like, why are you crying? He's going to Singapore. His parents cried. I understand. Why are you crying?
Yeah. She
I
had
don't
gone
know.
to pick him up once with
Haan.
flowers.
Yeah, and it was Valentine's Day. It was
Haan.
14th Feb and he was landing from Singapore after 1.5 years. And randomly, I go to pick him up with my dad and there is no plan. But at 11:45, there is a person standing there selling rose bouquets and I just buy it and I give it to him. This was
इधर शुरू हुआ है सब.
in my 10th standard, I'm telling
नहीं
you.
वो paper checking.
Bakwas.
But
But
it
it just happened.
Heart.
No. But I'm telling you, it just happened very naturally. Like there was
Yeah.
nothing. It was completely platonic till we decided to get married.
But
But
her,
after that, it's only been war.
like when her wedding started, she was already on her way to the stage, and I was the last person to get ready. So the parlor didi was like curling my hair, and my dad has come to the room and he's like, "अभी अगर तू नहीं आई तो मैं उसकी शादी करा रहा हूँ." I have not worn heels. I have picked up my lehenga with one curled strand. and I have run downstairs and I have stood behind her. That chunni thing is there, no? She's walking.
The
I
Din
am behind.
Shagnada moment
Huh.
happened where everyone is like,
Holding the chin.
yeah. I'll
One
tell you what
curl.
happened with that Din Shagnada moment also. I was standing and now I'm like, meko leke jana. Like, I was the first person in my entire college to get married
Oh
almost.
yeah.
And I'm the eldest sibling also amongst our hundreds of cousins.
Yeah.
So
of cousins.
everyone has come to me. There were 700 people for my wedding
Yeah.
in Mumbai. Okay, I'm not even from Mumbai. I'm from Nadia.
700?
Yeah, there were 700
Yeah.
people. And then all of them have come, and now I've asked my brother and my cousins to, and my sisters to stand and hold this chunni on my head. These idiots, I'm telling you, are just standing all ऐसे headless chickens जैसे घूम रहे हैं मेरे आजू बाजू. I'm like,
The song
and then I was like, guys, वो गाना लगा रही है, and I have become this manager now again.
Bridezilla.
It's just in me. I'm this elder sibling. And I'm just like, guys, you stand here, you stand here, you stand here, you stand here. And I'm yelling at them. I'm like, 2 minutes before I get married. I'm like, अरे ऊपर पकड़ मेरा चुन्नी नहीं दिख रहा है, मेरा सर ढक रहा है. They have all now held that chunni.
And I did not hold it.
She did not hold it. She
I
stood
just
in
walked
front of
behind
me.
her.
She walked. I
But
think you
तू
were in
तो
front of
करवली
me.
रहेगी
Oh
ना.
yeah, no, I was in the front.
Anyway, and then my mama has come, and then
Yeah.
everyone is standing holding this chunni now. And I suddenly realized there is a group of 8 people just staring at me. And I look at them and I realize it's Sumit's office people. I'm like, they have just seen me do this. Oh God. And then I was like, hi. And then I just turned because I don't know what to
But
do.
I think that is when they realize that he's in good hands.
Yeah.
He can be managed.
Probably.
Yes.
And then we started walking, okay? So this chunni is now held. And my 2 idiotic brothers. Idiotic, I'm telling you. One is my
Pratham.
Real brother.
real brother.
One is
if
cousin.
that is, and one is my cousin.
Huh.
Both of them were standing in front of me. These idiots had one job to hold that damn chunni. Both of them. Now, how stupid is this? To hold a chunni, and both of them are holding from the wrong hand. So Pratham has held it from the right hand, standing in my right. And this Guddu has held it from the left hand and standing in my front. Both of them are covering
Inside the chunni.
And I have realized it after taking 10 steps when everyone has now moved to see me. I have realized it 10 steps in and I have started, I can't yell. So I'm smiling. I'm like, Godho, तुम लोगों ने गलत हाथ से पकड़ा. Pratham, change your hand. Change your hand. And then Pratham has gone out. And this guy is still not. And then after 10 more steps, I'm like, अबे तू उधर जा. Then I had another sister who was walking and she's like, Didi, how chalna? I'm wearing heels. I'm unable to. Are you
This is our
kidding me
youngest-
right now?
This is our youngest baby sister.
Yeah, Sanika, and she's wearing heels. I'm like, I'm wearing 10 kilos of lehenga. I could not walk. Like, kya ho raha hai, guys? And then, like, once we have reached into the aisle, I see Sumit and I start crying.
Yeah.
And I'm like, ab kuch bhi karo. I'm just
Now I
walking.
am looking at her and I start crying. Because no, don't cry.
And then all of us went to the.
Tap, tap, tap.
Yeah, and then I got married.
700 people. It was a
Then I
huge
got
wedding.
married, and as soon as the Varmala has happened, okay, I'm literally putting the Varmala in Sumit's neck.
Yeah, neck.
And then my friend Roshni has come and she's in my ear saying, by the way, your makeup wali is gone. Huh? I'm like, what? Like, that was shocking. That was more important this for me at that point. Because I had two more
you have to do
changes left.
fairas.
I had to do fairas in my Nawari.
But क्यों गई वो?
खाना खाने
उसके
गई
dad बाली जा रहे थे तो उसको जाना था. That's the answer I got. So basically then I was just lost and I did my own makeup for the second one, but I felt like a bridezilla because I was freaking out everywhere. I was like, ye kidhar hai, wo kidhar hai. I couldn't find anything. But yeah, that was fun, man.
I just agree with her at this point. क्योंकि ना
You
मैंने-
agree with me being a bridezilla?
No, but the whole scenario जो makeup वाली चली गई वाला.
It's the worst thing that happened to you at a wedding.
Yeah, yeah.
Including the guy running away.